Sometimes I look at my videos and think people don't know what's behind the screen. I'm just a small creator, recording everything on cracked phone with shaky audio and low brightness. But a big dream. I don't have fancy equipment. I don't have a PC. I don't have a studio. I just have passion and you guys. And you know what hurts? Sometimes my videos get no views, but I still keep posting. Because maybe, just maybe, another small creator hears my sound and feels a little less alone. So if you're watching this, use my sound, grow with me, and let's show the world that even broken phones